Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Please hit the subscribe button, click the like and check the bell notification to get our new videos. Today's video is so special because in today's video I will explain to you how to recover deleted messages via WhatsApp. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned and let's jump into it. As you can see here in my phone, all the messages was deleted. So how can I recover all these messages and read them all? The first thing that you're going to do is you will go to Play Store and go to notification history. You will go to this notification history application with more than 5 million downloads and install it. I already downloaded this application, so I will open this application. As you can see here, at the first time it will not give you these things because I already opened this application. It will give me all these things. So at the first time, what are you going to do? You will go to this icon here, the settings icon here, and you're going to check everything I checked here, the 4 things here, and this record all dialogues and show system apps. But before check everything here, you will go to check system settings. It will give you these 2 things. You will click the first one and you will go to notification history and activate this. Turn on the notification history, return back to the application and go to the second one, enabling notification history and notification access to record notifications, and you will check this. You will turn on the notification history. Then we will return to our application. Then everything is okay right here. I will go back to WhatsApp and I will send a message from the other phone. I will send hello. So the message hello right here. I will delete it right now. I will delete the message right now, delete it for everyone. As you can see here, the message was deleted. Now the question is, how can we read the message even if it is deleted? So how you can do it, you go to our application, notification history, and here you will check WhatsApp. You will see what is the number phone. Okay, this is the number phone. Here is hello. Here is hello. As you can see here, and every message that I receive right now. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it, and if you find it useful, please leave me a comment below. If you don't understand something, I will replay. Thank you very much, and hit the subscribe button with the like, and goodbye.